First of all, I want to congratulate the organizer for inviting me in this financial inclusion conference, global conference. So I am representing a private commercial bank of Bangladesh, Trust Bank Limited. And in Bangladesh, we have 56 banks, commercial banks operating, and more than 8,000 branches are operating in Bangladesh. But the status of financial inclusion in Bangladesh is not encouraging, as there are almost 49% of the adult populations are unbanked or underbanked. And in Bangladesh, you know, the main challenges of financial inclusion is the geographical access. Although I have mentioned that there are 8,000 branches of commercial banks, but they are operating only in urban areas. They are not operating in the rural areas, remote rural areas. So the financial inclusion is a great challenge for commercial banks of our country. So as far as central bank is concerned, they have already taken this challenge, and central bank has asked all the commercial banks to open 10 taka account for the farmers. As state-owned bank has already, they are opening the account of 10 taka, but private commercial banks are not doing this. They have been asked by the central bank to open the account of 10 taka account, and we are also operating on this line. And as you know that in the financial inclusion, there are some barriers in Bangladesh, and this can only be achieved through one of the tools is the mobile banking. What I want to tell you that as all of you know that Bangladesh is a 150 million population is there, and mobile connectivity is almost 110 million people are using the mobile. So financial services, mobile services can be given through mobile banking. And is rapidly, we are thinking on that, and the government of Bangladesh and the Central Bank of Bangladesh, they have already given permission to the 28 commercial banks to operate financial mobile services in the country, and our Trust Bank is one of them. As of today, there are 7.2 million people are using mobile banking facilities in our country. And as I want to mention here that this is rapidly increasing, this mobile banking facility, and more banks are involving their all efforts in the mobile banking. We know that in a commercial bank, opening an account is very complex, and they should maintain a minimum balance. But in the mobile banking account, minimum balance requirement is not there. So this is an encouragement on the part of the banking sector to the rural people. So we think, and the microfinance sector, the Bangladesh is an example. Grameen Bank is one of the great example in this subcontinent, and I hope that the commercial banks also play their role in the financial inclusion. And this is my thank you.